Ever wondered how a simple banana leaf can transform a regular fish fry into something extraordinary? Let's dive into the secrets of making the perfect banana leaf fish fry from the sizzle to the spice. In a plate, add red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala, fennel seeds powder, black pepper powder, curry leaf, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, salt, lemon juice and oil. Mix all the masala paste. Sprinkle little water. Mix it again and keep it aside. I have taken kingfish. You can also take pomfret, mackerel, amur, carmine. Coat the fish slices with masala paste by rubbing it all over the fish. The masala should make a thin layer covering the fish. Marinate it for 1 hour. Take a banana leaf. Show it on the open flame to heat the banana leaf so it gets soft and flexible. Now place the marinated fish on base of the leaf. Fold the two sides of the leaf over the fish to overlap. Then fold the bottom and top part, creating a parcel. Now tie it well using a banana string or a thread. Now repeat with the other fish slices and make ready all the parcels. Heat oil in a frying pan. Place the fish parcels on the pan. Now cover it with the lid and the lid will enable a bit of steaming. Fry it for 10 minutes on one side. After 10 minutes, turn the fish parcel over to the other side. Cover again with the lid and fry it for 10 more minutes. Take them out to rest for few minutes. Open the leaf carefully. The kingfish in banana leaf is ready to serve. Serve it with coriander chutney. Thanks everyone for joining me in this delicious journey. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.